Welcome kids. Today's video we are drawing shapes. The first shape's color is a orange. So let's just paint like this. Okay. So our first shape's color is complete. Now is a love color is completely in color. The pink color. Like this. Okay, beautiful. Now the next color is a round color shapes. This color is a deep yellow. Let's just paint. Okay, good. Then now is our rest of shapes. This color is complete. The middle color is green, and the side box color is a light charcoal chocolate. Okay, beautiful. And the last color is our star color is yellow. Okay, thanks.